Dear students, this is me, Dr. Shikha Sharma, lecturer in English at Government Girls College, Bara. Students, in this video, I'll discuss the poem "Oh Captain, My Captain." Actually, the third and the last stanza of the poem. I have already discussed the first two stanzas in my previous video. So, let's start from the third stanza. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voice closed and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in with object won. The poet says that the captain of the ship is lying dead on the deck of the ship, and the poet is feeling very sorrow, and he's very sad and feeling very sorrow and he's very mournful. Okay, in the mournful voice he says that my captain does not answer. My captain is not giving me any response. Okay, does not respond. His lips are pale and still. His lips are pale and speechless. Okay, he cannot utter any word. Okay, my captain does not answer. My captain is not giving me any response. His lips are pale and he is completely speechless. My father does not feel my arm. Now he calls him father. Okay, so the word father shows or expresses his personal attachment or affection with the captain. He calls him father. My father does not feel my arm. He says that my father does not feel the touch of my arms. He cannot feel that I'm holding I'm holding his arm in my hand. Okay, he has no pulse nor will. His pulse is not working and he has no will in his heart. He is completely dead. वो जो कैप्टन है वो मर चुके हैं और मेरी कोई उनके अंदर कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं बची हैं, उनके पल्स नहीं चल रही हैं, उनके लिप्स बिल्कुल स्पीचलेस हैं, वो कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं और वो मेरी किसी बात का या किसी भी क्वेश्चन का, किसी भी क्वेरी का कोई वो आंसर नहीं दे पा रहे हैं. The ship is anchored safe and sound. Okay, the ship has safely come to the harbor. Okay, the ship has safely reached to the harbor. Okay, at the destination. ये जो ship है ये harbor तक या destination तक बहुत ही safely पहुंच चुका है. Its voice closed and done, and the voice of the ship is finished and is over. और इसकी जो voice जो यात्रा है वो यहाँ पर ख़त्म हो गई है. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in with object won. From fearful trip, okay. फ्रॉम fearful trip, जो fearful trip मीन्स जो ट्रिप इनका जो सिविल वार का जो ट्रिप था, ओके, जो बैटल था, जो फाइट थी, वहाँ से जहाँ ये लड़कर आ रहा था शिप. सो विक्टर शिप, द विक्टर शिप मीन्स द शिप वी हैव वोन द actually the captain has won the battle and has won the civil war. They have achieved a victory in the civil war and the ship has come safely to the destination and now comes in with the object won. Actually the ship we have won victory, okay, and we wanted to be victorious and we have done this. We have achieved our aim in this mission. Our mission has been successfully completed. So he says that our mission is complete and now there is exalt. Okay, people are happy. Okay, exalt, O shores, and ring the bells. People are happy. Exalt, be happy. People are rejoicing. They are celebrating the victory. Okay, the joy of victory. But O shores, there are people are standing at the shore. Okay, and there is a lot of there is a large number of people, or there is a crowd at the shore and people are rejoicing. They are celebrating the day and the bells are ringing, but I, ये सब हो रहा है, people are enjoying, लोग जश्न मना रहे हैं, सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, but I, लेकिन मैं, the poet Walt Whitman, with mournful deed, sorrowful walk, I walk sorrowfully, लेकिन मैं इस डेक पर बहुत दुख के साथ चलता हूँ. The deck my captain lies, जहाँ my captain's lying dead, जहाँ मेरा जो कैप्टन है वो मृत पड़ा हुआ है. Fallen, cold and dead, lying lifeless and dead. Okay, people are celebrating this and they are rejoicing, but I'm not happy. I am very sad because I know that this is the day of victory, but on the one hand people are rejoicing. Okay, there is a joy of celebration, but on the other hand we have lost a captain. We have lost our captain, which was the leader of this civil war, and just because of him we won this, we got this victory. So Walt Whitman becomes very grieved at the death of the captain, who was the reason, who made it possible to achieve or to gain victory in this battle, in this war. So in this poem, Walter Whitman expresses his personal grief on the demise of Abraham Lincoln, the captain. Okay, the poet in the first stanza beautifully describes the greatness of Lincoln's achievement. उस फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में उसके अचीवमेंट को बताता है कि किस तरह से जो अब्राहम लिंकन है उन्होंने काफ़ी जो एबोलिश स्लेवरी से लोगों को बाहर निकाला है. ओके, और किस तरह से उन्हें एक फ्रीडम दिलाई है. तो ये जो सारे रीज़न है, इस वजह से उन्हें अपनी कंट्री को बचाया है इन परेशानियों से, हर्डल से, ऑब्स्टेकल से. ओके, इन द सेकेंड स्टेंजा वॉल्ट विटमैन्स ग्रीव्स गेन मोमेंटम और इम्पीटस. ओके, ही अर्जेज द कैप्टन टू वेक अप. और सेकेंड स्टेंजा में वो काफ़ी इम्पीचस हो जाता है, काफ़ी उसको ग्रीफ होता है, और जब उसकी डेथ हो जाती है और कैप्टन को वो उससे कहता है कि तुम उठो. उसे लगता है कि इट्स इज जस्ट लाइक अ ड्रीम, कि उसका जो कैप्टन है वो मर चुका है, बिल्कुल एक सपने की तरह उसे लगता है उसे. एंड ही अर्जेस द कैप्टन टू वेक अप. उसको कहता है कि तुम उठो और देखो कि तुम्हारी जो विक्ट्री है, पीपल आर जस्ट सेलिब्रेटिंग द डे, इस दिन को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, इस विक्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. द वर्ड डियर फादर शोज द पोइट्स इंटीमेसी एंड अफेक्शन टूवर्ड्स द कैप्टन. और ये जो वर्ड है डियर फादर, ये इसका जो अफेक्शन है, पर्सनली जो अटैचमेंट है, उसको ये शो करता है कि हाउ मच ही लव्ड हिम, कि वो कितना प्रेम उसे करता था कैप्टन को. द लास्ट स्टेंजा एग्जिबिट्स द पर्सनल नोट मोर इंटेंसली. ओके, so in this poem there is a mingling of rejoicing and exultation or happiness or elated or joyful feelings on the one hand, and on the other hand there is a deep sorrow at the same time, because there is a mingling of rejoicing, okay, or exultation or happiness or elated feeling, because they have won. Okay, they have been victorious in the civil war. Okay, but at the same time they have lost their dear captain, okay, who was the chief leader of this civil war, or he was the reason of this victory. Just because of him he got victory. He saved people from dangers and obstacles of. Okay, so now he becomes very sad that he has lost the most powerful and the most affectionate person whom he loved very much. So there is a personal grief, there is an expression of personal grief in this poem, because Walt Whitman was a great admirer of Abraham Lincoln. Okay, he did not